Hi guys, let's learn how to get our first function created using our AWS Lambda console. So first off, we would need to log into our Lambda console and we head straight to functions. From here, we click on create the function. As we can see, we have three options to choose from. The first is to create a function as author from scratch. This means that Hello World examples will include just enough code for your chosen language to get you started. You can add triggers and configure additional settings later on. As for the Use a Blueprint option, blueprints are language-specific samples that include function code and settings for a runtime and trigger combination blueprints. They are available for Node.js and Python runtimes. As for the Browse Serverless app repository, Browse Serverless Application Repository, they have sample applications that come from AWS Serverless Application Repository that are fully functional Lambda function applications. So they use the AWS Serverless Application Model, which stands for AWS SAM, with AWS CloudFormation and include an execution role, a function trigger, and other resources for you to choose from. So first off, since this is our first function created, let's click on author from scratch, which will go with a hello world example. Let's give our function a name, hello world test. Let's give it a language for our function to be written with. It could be Node.js, Java, Python, Ruby. According to what you know, you click on the function that you'd like your application to run as. Let's go with Node.js. For the permissions, they will be set automatically and you can configure them later on. Now let's choose or create an execution role. Execution roles can either be created newly, they can be used as an existing role, or we can create a new role from the AWS policy templates. Let's go with an existing role. So we choose one of our roles. Let's go with this one. And we simply click on create function. Hence, our first Lambda function will be created and added to the list of functions.